Hi everyone, this is Harshvardhan. Welcome to Algo Traders. This is my second video on Algo trading. I'm an amateur trader. I just began my journey in trading and started with OpenRangeBreakout strategy scalping. This video is not about promoting any product or setup. This is purely educational video. Basically, I can start my learning or investment with a long term or a swing trading, but I felt being a beginner in the market and to learn quickly in and outs of the market, intraday is the best option. And to control my emotions and to be very quick in the action and to follow all the rules of the strategy, I preferred automating this trade setup. This is the first trade setup which I built for trading and will be monitoring it for this week, and also will be making improvements to this setup in the weekends. However, and whatever I am doing in this learning period is only paper trading, so that all the trades which I am taking in this session will be having only quantity as one. I am aware that in real time we are betting with bigger quantity, the big results will be varying for sure. But the setup is to understand the strategy and false breakouts and how to handle them. If you have any strategy and want to automate it, please contact me on Telegram using Telegram link provided in the description. I'm saying again, I'm not a trader and I am directly or indirectly not suggesting you to use any particular strategy to gain profits in the market. Any kind of trading involves risk. Please be cautious. So let's see what's happening in this today's session. See you in the end of the video. To cut the duration of the video and make it short and simple, I am fast forwarding this video and will be holding whenever required. I see that the stocks got stuck for a long time and it is longer than expected time. I'll quickly check if they are already reached the target and we missed it, or they still pending in reaching them. If they already reached the target and we missed it, I shall exit them manually. I see that they already reached the target and somehow we missed it because of few bugs in the script, and I manually exited them and we are done for the day. If you see that even though we took few wrong stocks or wrong tradings like Titan which went to minus 24 rupees, even then we are in profit of 110 rupees, which means that this is an example for like investing in multiple stocks instead of focusing on a single thing. Yeah, let's quickly calculate the brokerage and see how much we are going to earn today if we are investing 1,000 quantity in each stock. If you see this, like after a brokerage calculation, we are left with the 92,210 rupees, which is not a bad amount after taking these many trades and with the loss of or a false breakout of a titan. And I hope you guys enjoyed this session and saw how scalping works and what is algo trading, what's the advantage of algo trading. If Thank you for watching. See you in the next session.